What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fully Built Garage. Today we're taking care of just some of the easy maintenance, and easy might be a relative word. I came down to my fiance's grandpa's because he's got this handy dandy lift in the garage. Obviously you can change oil, pulling it up on ramps, and based on the amount of time I spent crawling on the ground, that may have been the way to go anyways. But basically I'm just going to take you through how to change oil on a, what's this? Probably any EJ 257 engine, but we got it up here, so we're going to start pulling off the under tray as it cools down some more, and then we will get the drain bolt off and oil filter and get through that part. So I believe to start with, all we're going to do first is pull off these 3 bolts here to get the skid tray off. It's basically one at, oh my gosh, sorry. One back here at the back and 2 on each of the front panels. There are also 2 little plastic clips in those corners, which you saw me struggling with. But now it should be pretty easy. We are going to, oh my god, drain right there, black on black, and then we'll unscrew this, and then we'll put it all back together. Hot. So we're gonna fill it back up with some Shell Rotella T6 5W40 and just a regular porlator filter. There are a bunch of stuff on the forums. The filter seems to be decent, and I've used T6 before in a few other turbocharged cars, and if you couldn't tell, this oil seemed a bit thin. It might be hard to see now. So hopefully something with a better weight will should help it a little bit. So first things first, we are going to pre-fill the filters and lubricate this O-ring. That's a good idea so this doesn't bind, and also so you don't immediately lose oil into the filter as it fills again, and there will be an air pocket in your system. So we're going to get that done, get that screwed back up. Oh, there. If you can't tell, it looks like my stock oil cooler line's also a little corroded, and we're going to get rid of this exhaust soon. But that's our plan. That's what we're going to do next. And this oil should be done. we shall head home. Thanks for hanging with me today, guys. I hope you got something useful out of it. If you want to see more, like, subscribe. We're going to be doing some more motor stuff coming up here shortly, so I'm excited about that. Hopefully you guys are too.